earn anywhere between $5 and $50 every 5 minutes, and all of this is already done for you. I know this seems a little bit impossible, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this brand new website over here that I've not spoken about on my channel before to make anywhere between $5 and my biggest was just under $400 within a couple of minutes in a day. You will not have to do affiliate marketing, you don't have to build any social media accounts or build any following bases, you're not selling any physical products. This is free to do, meaning you don't need any money to do this, so there's nothing to lose by doing this, and you can do this any in the world just with your phone if you'd like to. You just need to come over to this website, use this tool and make sure this option is selected yes, click on next step, it will automatically generate for you, paste everything on this website over here and collect your earnings online. And it's super easy and simple to do, but if there is anything that you're not sure about at the end of this video, come over to my Instagram at Froneman and you can send me a message. I'll reply if you have any questions about this video or if you have any general questions about Make Money Online. I'll be here to chat to you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel where I am posting tons of free courses and Make Money Online videos every single day and giving away free resources, courses and money in every single video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a $10 giveaway, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to see how you can win $10 cash straight to your PayPal account. So there's a lot of people online that complete various different jobs online, whether it's ranking videos, whether it's making logos, whether it's any kind of service that you can think of. But what these people do is they take a lot of their time out of their day to put in a lot of hard work and effort into completing these services and getting paid for that. In this video, I'm going to give you a tool that will do a very high paying service for you. You can sit back, relax, and collect your earnings while you earn passively. So if you do appreciate that, don't forget to drop a like on this video. It really helps me up and pumps me up to bring out consistent content and valuable videos for you guys to make money from. This is the website where people all over the world are posting jobs and making hundreds of dollars online. Take a look at this. Some people are translating books. They are writing books, writing articles. If I click on the categories button over here, some people are writing web contents, translating content, editing and proofreading content, researching content, technical content. Some people are doing design and art. Some people are doing programming and development. But now what any of these people on this website don't understand is that there's this done for you tool that I'm about to show you in this video that you can use to translate anything you want to, whether it's a video on YouTube, into every language in the world. Now it takes hours and hours of work to take each and every word and text in a video to manually translate that. But this tool will automatically take all these words, all the captions for you, and automatically translate that into every single language in the world for you in just 3 clicks of a button. That takes literally 3 minutes and you can get paid hundreds of dollars for this. And this first website is at guru.com, and this is a place where you can hire various freelancers all over the world to complete different tasks for you. This person will help you out with translating and teaching you fluent English. This person does translation from English to Spanish, and they are earning anywhere between $250 and $500 per job. This person is translating anything from English to Spanish. This person is doing translation in general from any language to any language. This person is translating and doing content writing for people, earning $250 to $500 per job. So you can see on this website, there's no small money here. It's big money that you're making. It's hundreds of dollars, not just $2, $3. It's hundreds of dollars. And remember, these people are people like you and me that just offer services on these websites and make money online. This guy over here translates entire websites for you at $500 to $1,000 to rank these websites on Google in all the languages in the world, getting that website a lot more traffic. So a lot of people are willing to make this investment to rank their website in every country and every foreign language and foreign Google in the world. All you have to do is come up to the top, click on the sign up button over here, and you just have to fill in your first name, your email address. You can click on proceed and your account will be created in just a few seconds. Once you've signed in with your profile, you'll be able to offer a service, and you can enter your service title, your service description, and your category and skills. In this case, you want to select writing and translation. Your service costs, I would suggest anywhere between $50 and $200. Maybe price yourself a little bit lower than the competition so that you can beat them and hopefully get all the orders. You can then put a little thumbnail, which I'll show you how to get in a bit. Once you've then published the service, it will be listed public on Guru and tons of traffic will see your service that you have to offer. And I just want to show you some people over here that are doing these exact same translation jobs, literally just 5 minutes a day of work. This person over here is making $23,000 per year from the United States. This person is making $14,000 from Peru. This person is making $304,000 a year. This person is making $149,000 a year from India. This person is making $131,000 a year from Pakistan. And the list goes on and on and on. So people are definitely making a lot of money doing this kind of work. But what a lot of these people don't realize is there's a lot of tools like the one that I'm going to show you that will just take 3 minutes and do and set up everything for you without you having to take hours out of your time to do this manually. And what I really like about Guru.com, the competition is really not that high. Unlike something like Fiverr, which is a great place to go and post your gigs, but you're going to find a lot more competition and it will take more time for you to rank your gig before you get a huge amount of sales. You can also go and use SEOclarks.com where you can go and post another gig over here. And before you know it, you could be making sales on SEOclark.com and Guru.com as well as Fiverr.com, bringing you in 3 separate streams of income from each platform. So all you need to do is, in order for this tool to work, you need to add a YouTube account. So this tool specifically translates YouTube videos into every language in the world. So the service that you're going to be offering is translating YouTube videos and getting 200 to 300% more views. So all you do is click on add a YouTube account over here. I've already added one. It will pop up like this. You can see my channel over here. You then want to come over to the left tab over here, click on translate videos. Click on refresh videos over here. It will refresh your list of videos of all the videos on your YouTube channel. If you want to translate a video, all you do is select yes on the video that you want to translate. Click on next step and you can go and select all these languages over here. But you need to select 10 at a time. So I'm just going to do 10 at a time. You can see it's total 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So far I'm translating my video to Spanish, German, French, Portuguese, Hindi, Afrikaans, Albanian, Arabic, and Armenian. And for all of these countries, I will now rank this video on their YouTube algorithms, especially for those that speak that language. So my videos will be popping up for them. I'm going to click next step over here. It's going to load my title, description over here, and all my hashtags and tags over here. You click on next step, you give it about 5 minutes to process all these languages. You can see Spanish and German is already complete. You can see my title has translated completely to Spanish, my entire description completely to Spanish, and German all the way to Spanish already. All you're going to do is you're going to click on publish, and all these captions, translations, and text is going to be published on your YouTube channel live. And now this video will rank in all of these countries' algorithms over here. To translate to more languages, you click back on the languages tabs over here. You click on back and you can go and translate all of these other languages over here. So you can select, for example, 10 at a time, click on next, translate to even more languages over here. Click on publish and this will be published again with all the latest languages that you have translated your video to. The more languages that you translate to, the more countries' algorithms you'll rank for and the more views you'll get. If I take a look on Fiverr and I come over to the writing translation and I click on this category over here and I click on translation over here as a category, take a look at this. So Fiverr will be a more difficult place to rank for, but this person over here translates English just to German. Take a look at how much he's made. If I got $25 multiplied by 1,000, that's just the minimum amount of people that have placed an order with him. Because in order to leave a review on your gig, you need to have purchased this gig. That means a minimum of 1,000 people have ordered this, making him over $25,000 so far. And as you saw, it took me 3 minutes to translate that video to over 20 languages. What you can do is you can create a separate gig for each and every language. For example, you can create a gig on English to German, English to Spanish, English to French, or vice versa, French to English, and make money off multiple gigs and multiple languages at the same time. If you guys would like a more in-depth live explanation on this tool, I've got a video here that's about 7 minutes long on the sales page that I'll give to you just in a bit. So you can come over to the first link in the description and you will see the link to this tool in this page where you can go and get this tool to use and blow up your earnings with this freelance translation work. So this tool targets international audience and 10 times your video exposure, getting you more views, more subscribers, more of a foreign audience to your channel, blowing up channels on YouTube. You can dominate competitive keywords by reaching millions of foreign speakers, drive 100% free video traffic. You can tap into massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO, and you can dominate Google and YouTube with your translated and subtitled videos. Only 25% of searches made online are made in English. This means that you are missing out on 75% of the internet if you don't translate your videos online. That's a huge gap and miss in audience and a lot of potential reach that you are missing out on. YouTube is the second biggest website in the world, so that's why you want to make use of a tool like this and rank those videos for those different languages. All the videos that you'll ever need are already on YouTube, and those videos will automatically load up into this tool, and you just need to select the languages and it does all of the hard work and translation for you. And if you haven't already, be sure to come over to the first link in the description so that you can claim this tool over here and watch this free live demonstration of this tool, and also be sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to win that $10 giveaway, make sure to subscribe down below to this channel, leave a like down below, comment down below your favorite quotes or motivational or inspirational quotes. In tomorrow's video, I will announce the winner of the $10 giveaway, and I will host another $10 giveaway in tomorrow's video. So without further ado, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.